Hello Jolly Natex! For today's video, meron kaming na-discover at i-share sa inyong Indonesian resto na nagsimula bilang online food business sa bahay nung pandemic. At ngayon nga ay meron ng sariling resto that offers authentic Indonesian dishes na talagang binabalik-balikan, lalo na yung kanilang nasi at mie goreng. At eto nga yung Nasi Goreng Nation by Kitchen 176 na located along MP Casanova Street, Lipa City, Batangas. Pagpasok nga namin, nagandahan talaga ako sa interior nila with that modern industrial vibe. Komportable, malamig at very welcoming sila dito sa kanilang mga guests. Enjoy nga rin dito kasi meron silang open mic na pwede kayong mag-karaoke habang naghihintay ng orders nyo. And syempre pa, titikim tayo ng ilan sa kanilang mga best sellers starting with their bakso. Indonesian beef meatball soup yan served with a lightly flavored broth. And according to them, the best way to eat this is by adding tomato ketchup, sweet soy sauce, and vinegar. Tapos pwede nyo rin lagyan itong kanilang sambal for added spice. I-mix lang maigi para mag-incorporate yung mga lasa, and actually yung feel niya is para kang kumain ng mami but with a different approach. Malasa yung sabaw, ang ganda ng quality ng egg noodles, firm at hindi madaling malabsak. Masarap nga rin tong kanilang sate ayam. This is an Indonesian chicken skewers that's been grilled to perfection. Ang lambot ng chicken tapos lasang-lasa mo yung peanut sauce na ginamit, and at the same time yung charred and smoky flavor galing sa grill. May kasama na nga rin palang atsara yan kapag sinerve, and bagay na bagay yung combination. We also tried their ayam goreng basem, basically Indonesian fried chicken yan na ginamitan ng old and famous recipe. Sobrang lambot ng chicken na literal fall off the bone. Malasa nga pala yan kasama nung pinaka-sauce niya, kaya dapat partneran nyo ng kanilang plain rice. Sinubukan nga rin namin yung isa pang kilala sa Indonesia na beef rendang. According to them, the beef was cooked slowly for 4 hours. And yes, amoy mo talaga at lasang-lasa mo yung mga aromatics and spices na ginamit dito. Pero yung pinaka-evidence sa lasa niya is yung pagka-slightly sweet niya, tapos may pagka-coconut taste, and this is also best served with rice. Ito naman yung kanilang nasi bakar ayam. This is a signature dish from Bali. First time ko lang nakakain nito. Meron niyang shredded chicken, chopped tomatoes, cucumber, and onions. And actually yung lasa niya parang kumain ng pastil na walang toyo, and then may mga ensalada sa ibabaw but with a more added spices to it. And finally, punta na nga tayo kung saan nagsimula ang lahat. Ito yung kanilang mga goreng. Una muna itong kanilang mie goreng. Mie means noodles, nasi means rice, and goreng means to fry or stir fry. So yes, stir fry rice and noodles yan na sikat sa Indonesia, served with sunny side up egg. Parehas lang actually yung way ng pagluluto niyan. And believe me, masarap to parehas. The depth of flavors and spices, and for me mapanasi or mie goreng yung piliin nyo, you can never go wrong. Suggest ko lang, try nyo parehas, hindi kayo magsisisi. Tapos nagulat nga rin ako, nagustuhan ng mga kids. Yung maganda rin kasi dito, you have the option na ihiwalay yung sambal or Indonesian chili sauce. 180 pesos lang yan per jar, and I think i-elevate nito lahat ng dish na kainin mo dito. For drinks naman, we tried their iced lumut. This is an Indonesian milk jelly drink. It comes in 3 different flavors, buko pandan, lychee, and coffee, at lahat yan masarap. By the way, available nga rin pala sila dito for deliveries through Foodpanda and GrabFood. Tapos nag-accept na rin sila dito ng bilao orders for both nasi and mie goreng. And ito naman yung isa pa nilang branch sa May Ibaan, Batangas, which is actually yung kanilang pioneer branch. There you go, Jolly Natex. Sana nabigyan na naman namin kayo ng idea if you're looking for an authentic Indonesian food that offers comfy and cozy dining place along with their excellent service. Subukan nyo na nga rin dito sa Nasi Goreng Nation by Kitchen 176. So paano, until our next food trip, thank you for watching!